Guys, if you were wondering which t-shirt to wear to look your stylish best, then you have come to the right place. You need not look any further beyond this video, as today we will discuss about 4 very basic types of t-shirt that is a must in your closet. Number 1 is a plain white round neck t-shirt. When it comes to t-shirt, it doesn't get any classier or cooler than a plain white t-shirt. It is the most versatile or color of t-shirt that you can probably wear with any kind of bottom wear. For example, you can wear it with any color of jeans, you can wear it with any color of chinos, and at the same time you can also wear it with a wide range of trousers, even formal trousers. That's really cool, isn't it? White is probably an all-weather color and you can wear it technically throughout the year. But while choosing a white t-shirt, keep a couple of things in mind. Number 1 is that it has to be plain and it has to be solid, which means no design, no writing, no pattern, no monogram, and no logo. You can have a white t-shirt that has pattern, that has design, that has writing, that is up to you. But technically you need to have a white t-shirt that is plain and solid in nature. Okay? Even if there is a logo, let's say a brand name written somewhere over the t-shirt, then it has to be as small as possible, because the smaller it is, the more stylish you will look. Number 2 is red stains that you will inevitably develop after you wear it a couple of times and you wash it a couple of times. Okay, the stains will appear most likely in the armpit regions or in the neck and the collar regions, and these stains can single-handedly kill your game, no matter how expensive your t-shirt is or how good the quality of the material is. So the trick here is, in my opinion, not to buy a super expensive or a high-end white t-shirt, but go for a reasonably affordable one and buy at least a couple of them so that you can wear them alternatively, and at the same time they don't get too heavy on your pocket. Number 2 is a plain black t-shirt. Now don't tell me that black isn't your color, because if white makes you look cool, black makes you look bold and hot. I'm wearing a polo black t-shirt, which means a t-shirt that comes with a collar, round neck, v-neck, polo. It's up to you, it's up to your choice. There isn't a big deal about choosing the type of collar that you want to wear, but there are a couple of few technical stuff that, once explained, will help you to choose when to wear what. I'm going to make a separate video just on this topic, explaining you a couple of technical stuff and a couple of things about, couple of rules about wearing a t-shirt and when to wear which one, which will help you to take your t-shirt game a couple of notches higher. Now, much like a white t-shirt, you can have a black t-shirt that has design, that has pattern, that has name, that has a logo written on it, but a solid black t-shirt is also a must for you. You can also pair it up with a wide range of bottom wear. For example, shades of black, charcoal gray jeans, dark gray jeans, light gray jeans. They look dynamite with black t-shirt. Then there are white chinos, gray chinos, beige, that looks sexy when you pair a black t-shirt with them. You can also wear a black t-shirt with trousers in different shades of black. Number 3 is a full sleeve t-shirt. Because the longer sleeves, they not only protect your forearms from the weather and the sunlight, but at the same time they add more gravity and adds more personality to your style game. It kind of makes your presence felt, adds more weightage and cranks up your style game. And needless to say, if you decide to pull up your sleeves and show a little bit of your skin, show a little bit of your forearm, display the watch that you are wearing, display whatever accessories that you are wearing, it only increases your hotness quotient. Come on, I mean, that's not even fair to other dudes. Apart from that, you can wear it with a semi-formal jacket, show a little bit of sleeve, a casual jacket, or a biker, or a leather jacket. It looks dynamite with any one of them. Number 4 is a full sleeve Henley. It is same as a full sleeve t-shirt and even more. It is the highest form of t-shirt that you can think of. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, which means you can wear it casually, you can wear it even in occasions, you can wear it to the parties, and you can wear it to the meetings. Yes, even in official meetings. Many people I know, or 90% of the people I can think of, may have one or more pieces from the first 3 items that we just discussed, but a Henley will be definitely missing from their closet. So if that is the case, today is the day you can buy one. I mean, there is absolutely no better day to get something that is compulsory, that is a must in your closet. So if you're missing out on an item like that, get it ASAP. There is no problem with super trendy or a highly fashionable stuff as long as you have these 4 basic items in your closet. The big downside of super trendy and highly fashionable clothes is that they come and go along with trends. So something that is in fashion today, something that is in fashion this year, something that is in fashion in 2020 might not be in fashion tomorrow, might not be in fashion in 2021, might be even out of store in 2021. And that's exactly when this 4 basic guidance that we just discussed comes to the rescue as far as t-shirt is considered. They were stylish decades ago, they're stylish even today, and they will be stylish in the near thinkable future.